My name is Gwendy. I've been bullied. A lot. I was pretty lonely. Then I found this box. It's made my life perfect. Everyone loves me, I got a boyfriend, and everything I ever wanted has fallen right into my hand.
That box is ruining your life, Wendy.
It all. Don't you understand? I have it all. Why can't something good happen to me for once? Can I just be happy without any consequences? I don't believe in magic, but God, I just want this curse to go away. I just want to go back to the way things were, because maybe things weren't as bad as I thought they were.